So I decided that I was going to recreate Jc Caylen's Coachella outfit, you know, the custom-made one that was like really cool looking. He looked adorable with his girlfriend. Yeah, that one. Well, it didn't go as planned.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I sound like garbage. Perfect. So it's time for the ratchet recreations, and first, of course, I have to spread eagle myself over these jeans, because, like, you know, why not? And so I just cut out all the rips I would need in the jeans, which was pretty straightforward. The jeans I'm using are like these old mom jeans I had that like were already MacGyvered a couple of times, so like they're fine. We don't care. They'll live. It's okay. And that's pretty much it. Where the fuck are my scissors? It's all pretty straightforward, and I keep zoning out right now because I can't compute at this point in time. Like, what is life? I'm going through a little bit of a breakdown. So this is going to be my way of coping, and you're all just gonna have to deal with it. I'm still cutting. Like, it's honestly never gonna end. It's gonna be like half the video is just gonna be me cutting out the hose in these jeans. Goddamn! Ah! Oh fuck! Wait, I needed that. Son of a fuck. Oh, I fucked up. Okay, well. Okay. So after that minor lapse in judgment, I recovered, and I'm still here. I'm alive. I'm out of rehab, just if you're wondering. Yeah, I can't even believe I did that, and I love how quickly I got over it. Like, that was a genuine reaction from me, which I'm shocked by, frankly. Oh my god, like, you never know, like, when people make YouTube videos, you're like, yeah, it's gonna be quick, easy. Yeah, no, this is so difficult, and it's like, watching me do this is so dumb.
1 hour later.
Like, I'm still cutting out the jeans. Like, we get it already. There's holes. They're holy. We get it. Move on. I'm done. What do I say? I'm out of things to say.
Much later.
So after what seems like a decade, I've aged 10 years, and I finally made it to the shirt. So the old shirt is just like, oh my, a men's t-shirt that, good lord, what is wrong with me? It's a men's t-shirt that I thrifted from the thrift store. God, I have issues. It's a men's t-shirt found from the thrift store. I'm cutting it now. I'm cropping it. I measured it to the little crop top gray thing you saw at the beginning. Yada, 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 yada. We get it. It's cut. Woohoo! Yeah, so I cropped the bottom, cropped the sleeves. There's a car going by. ASMR cutting, it's so sexy. I love it so much. It's like, yes, cut me, bitch. Oh, yes. Done. Sexy. I love it. Oh, no, we're not done yet. The cutting in fast motion is like busted nut. Like, oh, yes.
298 frozen patties later.
Hmm.
12 seconds later.
My stretchies. Tubbs, I take it you're here for munchies too. You want some chicken? Chicken. Fuck yeah. Good boy. Oh, baby, it's... Did I just put barbecue sauce on my eggs?
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, baby, it's...
You were the clock that was ticking in my heart. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and
Love
gentlemen,
so hard to find.
we got him.
I could not see for the life of me what he had right here, so I just did that. I was gonna do like the Powerpuff Girls, but I don't really like them, and I figured like you gotta rip
Vg, come from my mini eggs. That was a lot of work. Jim Taka. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Moochie.